Okay, it works. Now, let's put that back there. And so I climb my big butt up here on this crane on this inside this truck. See where we at. Yeah, that's a perfect picture. So right here is the receiver, and this is the cord, cannon plug that the cord goes into. And most of the people that works on these know that this is a pendant cord for the transmitter. And this is what it broke off. The biggest thing is you got to remember that these cannon plugs are not the same for all trucks, even if it is a 5005 or a 3003, 2002, 4004. These cannon plugs have I think they gave me the right one. Yeah, it's the right one. You gotta use the 11 pin connection, or you're gonna have a 19 pin connection. And this one right here was 11 pin connection. So this will not fit the other truck. Let's put this in here like this. Like that, so we got the right one. Locks in tight. And we're going to take these two up here. And you really can't mess them up because one is black and one is gray. And up here you got gray and black. So you really can't mess that up. And I left it loose so I can get to this little adapter here that goes on the end of this pendant here, in the other end of the pendant cable goes to the transmitter, just in case the batteries don't work or whatever. We're going to put that back there. We're going to do that last. We'll put this here. And it only goes on one way. We got two little slits here. You got two here. You got one on this side, and you got one on that side. Just slip it around, lock it in, and it'll snap. What's in there? And I'm looking at the other one. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. And it snaps in perfect. So the only thing I gotta do is put that little plug in for this if he has to use it. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go and get the tools to do this. Right now I should have music, but I don't. So I'm still learning how to do this. And thank you guys for looking at my channel. So much stuff. By the way, I am a crane electrician. Work on all kinds of cranes, DMAG. Maybe you looked at my channel for DMAG troubleshooting. Basically everything that goes wrong with a DMAG, I have to fix. No matter what it is. So I'm going to start letting you guys know how to repair it if you got any questions. And I'm not really good at knowing what size bolt or nut is on something, so I'm not going to go back. I just get what I think that'll work. Got a half inch, 7/16, 3/8 going to be too big. 10, maybe 11 and a 12. So one of these will work. And I got my 3/8 and my 1/4 inch drive ratchets. So at this point, I should have music playing like everybody else do, but I don't. So not right now. Let's get this right. Oh yeah, back to the crane stuff. Basically, actually in Jacksonville, Florida, home base where we work at. And the mothership is in Pompano, Florida. One of these will work. I think that's it. That's a 10. Really can't go and work on a lot of stuff on a crane without a 10. And a 12 and a 13 and a whatever. It's always small stuff. And it varies between metric and standard between the different types of cranes. And this here, like you know, is a mobile crane. And I'm not the only one that drops stuff. I know I am. So we're going to take this pin connector and mount it best I can. And it's probably won't get used. And they manufacturer always put them on pretty tight. I was able to get that one off. So we're going to take this and run it through. And after we're done, we're going to zip tie it, and hopefully this doesn't happen again. Because I already replaced it once. And it has a certain way that it goes in. I'm going to have to take it all the way off. And these R160 receivers do go out. Number one, they're always in the rain. And number two, I'm gonna have to widen this out. Had to do this before. That sucks. Alright. Everything varies. Make stuff big, make stuff small. But it's okay. So I'm gonna go and get some tools and I'll be right back.